हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हमारे साथ सारे जा रहे हैं।
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to take this cab with Mr. Nimanta, and I was extra happy when I came to hear that he has launched this innovative idea of making short videos with his passengers. I thought that's a very interesting idea, and he asked me to narrate an interesting episode of my life. There are so many things in my life which could be of interest to people, but then I have chosen to talk about something which is short and also interesting, obviously. So this is an event that which happened nearly 30 years ago. In 1996, I was working in a very prominent company in Godrej, in a company called Godrej. I mean, all of us are aware of Godrej. And I was asked to go to Godrej is in the factory is located in a place called Vikhroli, which is some distance away from the main station or the main area of some distance away from South Bombay. And I was asked to go to South Bombay, specifically to Bombay House, which is the headquarter of the Tata Group. And I had a meeting, which was originally planned to be a short meeting with the great, the Tata Supremo, Mr. Ratan Tata. So I went there. A funny thing happened on that day. Two important things happened. Two memorable things happened. One was, of course, I met Mr. Ratan Tata. The second is what I want to narrate. Now, I came from my office. Okay, I took the train. I mean, this relates to people who leave their, who end up losing their items in taxis, cars, or trains. So, in some ways, the experience fits with my journey here. So, I came to the Vikhroli station and I suddenly discovered that I was carrying a rather cheap pen in my pocket. One of those 5 rupees ballpoint pens. And I thought, oh my goodness, I'm going to meet such a big corporate tycoon today, and what is this I'm carrying? So from the local market, I bought a rather expensive Parker pen, brand new, obviously. Put it in my pocket, and went on to board the train. As most of you are aware, Bombay trains are extremely packed. Okay, people travel as if they are packed like sardines. And I entered, I slowly made my way through the crowd and finally found a seat. And when I found the seat, I discovered that my brand new pen was lost. Okay, I thought somebody has picked it up, somebody has pickpocketed or something like that as I was entering the compartment. Naturally, I was a little upset. And then, anyway, the journey had to happen, went ahead with the journey. And when I reached the last station, which is Victoria Terminus, and as I was getting down from my compartment, I noticed my phone, my pen. Okay, the brand new pen was right at the door, the exit door of the compartment, and it was smiling at me, mischievously smiling at me. So I picked up my pen, went, had a meeting with Mr. Ratan Tata. There's nothing much to write about that meeting. It was a small business meeting about one of his requirements from Godrej. And then I returned. Okay. So one of those little things which stay in your mind. Thank you. So I'm happy to be here in Bhubaneswar. It's a Sunday. Okay. The crowd in the road is thin, and we are driving through this wide road. And I'm enjoying the view. The weather is great. And ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day ahead. Thank you so much.